Hey guys, I thought I'd come on here real quick because I just finished laundry and I have a king fitted sheet behind me that I want to show you how I fold. So you know how they have lots of videos out there of tutorials on how to properly fold a fitted sheet? I've tried them, they don't work for me. So this is what I do, and maybe this will work for you. First things first is spread it out and find the corners. And you're basically going to fold the corners together. So keep the sides of the corners together and make sure like the bottom and the top corners basically go together. So once I have it folded corner to corner, I don't know about you, but in a king, there's a lot of going back and forth because I'm just not big enough, long enough to get this right. Okay, so once it's kind of resembling this, I'll take this messy side and fold it in so that what's left is a clean looking fold, even though on the inside it's not. Also, don't mind all the wrinkles. We don't care about wrinkles here, so not with sheets. Okay, so once you have it like this, the next step is going to be to, if you have a bin that you store your sheets in, like this is the bin that we store our sheets in. If you have a bin, make sure you're folding it to the size of the bin so that it will fit in there. Or depending on where you store it, if you just store it openly in the linen closet, just make sure that wherever the space is that you store it is the size that you fold it into. So what I do is I will probably fold it one more time just so it's small enough to fit in the bin. And then I'm going to fold it like this. And then I'm going to fold it into thirds so that it can fit nicely inside of the bin. Like this. So it fits in there. It's neat enough. I mean, it's a fitted sheet, so it's going to be pulled so tight on the bed that it doesn't matter if there's wrinkles or not. And then just make sure you have enough space for top sheet and then any pillowcases that you might have. So we store our king sheets one set per bin. And depending on how big your bed is, like a twin bed, you could probably fit more than just one set. But because these sheets are so big, we just store one at a time. And that way, when we take some off to wash, we have another set ready to go. All right, let me know how you fold your fitted sheet, because all those tutorials, I tried. I failed miserably. So let me know if you were able to follow those tutorials and be successful at it, or do you kind of roll or do something like what I do? Let me know.